Alexander. That's from our XME project.
Thanks for the photo.
Have you heard from the XME project?
Yes.
So this is the first Mondeo, which is now trained on the XME. You can't see so many, but the main changes we have done here is that we have an injection system from Denso. This means we have new injectors, a new rail and new high pressure pump. And we have an external ECU, you can see at the end. The communication between the series ECU and the new one from Denso, which makes only the injection, is coupled by CAN bus, and we have controlled, or we transmit only the injection information from the series ECU to the Denso.
Sorry, what's the ECU?
The electronic control unit.
Right. Yeah.
You can see it there. It's and we have a direct liquid injection, and the modifications we have done is at the moment we have new injectors inside, and this is a new gallery for the return fuel lines. We have a return fuel, and we are possible to increase the injection pressure here before the high pressure pump on 30 bars, so that we are safe, that we have at 90 degrees, which is the maximum temperature normally,
so you keep liquid
in the
phase,
cylinder head, that it is it's only liquid at all times.
Yeah. Have you used the cooling radiator for this fuel? That was previously.
Now we have a connection to the climate system to cool down the fuel.
So you use a preliminary cooling.
Yes.
And what about the fuel pumps?
At the moment we have two fuel pumps. The fuel system comes from Prince, and we have in the tank the first pump makes, for example, in the tank we have normally 5 to 10 bars. It's in dependence of the temperature.
You make from
then
5
we make
to 10.
in the first step to 15, 60 bar, and the boost pump, which is located there, makes the rest up to 30 bar. And we have a control strategy that makes the pressure sensor always the 30 bar at the moment.
Ever had difficulties with overheating the pump, which is in the engine compartment?
At the moment, not. The car is not running so long at the moment, but it's the first step, and if you learn, you have to change perhaps a little bit.
It happens sometimes after a long run.
So you can optimize the system.
I owe you an answer, I know that, but it's been hectic.
Then I will show
We'll
you.
come back.
If you want to take a look on the tank and the other systems. This is the additional ECU from Denso. We have switched a few from the sensor signals, which will be put into the series ECU. So we have a connection box. This box here is the gateway between the CAN bus structure, so that we can calculate the values, so that the new ECU can work with it. We have to transfer the informations, and the blue one here is only to make measures and application, and normally liters. And the tank itself, you can see it's a 60-liter tank from Prince. We can have 48 liters of DME here inside, and I think it's comparable to 24 or 25 liters of diesel fuel, so that we have 400 kilometers which we can drive with a car.
And how do you refuel it?
We have from Prince a fueling system here. It's nearly the same as for LPG. Yep. Here's a connector, and so we come from our filling station with a pump, so we can refill it.
And is this a dual fuel car at the moment?
No, at the moment it's a mono fuel only. Okay. The tank is inside for diesel, but you can refill. And at the moment we can,
which means that the injectors are all set up and configured for the DME.
Yeah.
And if you were to put diesel in it, then you would have to change
we have increased the flow of the injectors, so that we can use we can reach the same effective power. So it's only a safety function to let it run with diesel. This was the first step, to check that all is running, the communication and so on. the engine was running at first with diesel, and then we have switched to DME and done the complete smooth engine.
Sorry, question. Any difference in starting procedure, like pre-pumping? So you start.
With print, the pumps are running if you switch on the ignition, and then the pumps reach very fast. I think half a second maximum, the 30 bar, and then you can start as a normal car.
And the cold start on 0 degrees and -10.
This is not tested at the moment, but cold start from the presentations and from Werner Willems information from other projects, cold start is with DME not
an issue.
Yeah.
What about lubricant?
Inside of fuel?
So you blend the lubricant
No,
with...
we use DME. It comes from Shell TPC, which will be delivered from Shell, and we have an additive inside Lubrizol, 150.
Okay, but so it's a Lubrizol.
Yeah, Lubrizol at 150.
Right.
That's actual. This was tested on the component testing at Denso and was running for very many hours, and so we have done the same here in the project.
Can you show the starting?
Try to show it. One moment. Yeah,